Welcome viewers. Know the complete spoken English in 3 minutes. I did research and created a table for spoken English. You can see all the tenses in it. That too in a sheet of paper. It's in the description. Please look into it. Take a print. You can speak looking that sheet. Now we shall see how to speak English looking that sheet. Each line in that sheet is the starting point of the sentence only. You can see five lines. Those are the types of sentences which we use while speaking. First line, positive sentence. Second line, negative sentence. Third line, question sentence. Fourth line, negative question sentence. Fifth line, question word sentence. To know the example sentences for these, watch our link, Spoken English for Beginners. It is in the description. You can see 3 lines top to bottom in our table. First line, C formula. C is complement, that is other than verb words. Example, happy, ready, to come, coming, etc. You can use words like this in the place of C and speak. Second line, V1, V2 formula. Third line, V3 formula. V1, V2, V3 denotes verb words. Example, go V1, went V2, gone V3. See V1, saw V2, seen V3, etc. You can use words like this in its proper place and speak. Below these, can, could, etc. usages and order request usages are there. That's all, the complete spoken English details. Send your doubts through comments and get the explanations. Speak boldly. If you like this video, please share it to your friends. Good luck to all the viewers.